Make a great choice today with the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Hyundai Certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.